Myra Dastur, and of course, Imran Hashmi. Can I also call across the representatives from Inox to come up and felicitate the cast and crew on stage, please? Imran, Abhini, I'll tell you. Go on. Go on. Please come. I'll get the flowers. Flowers. Yeah. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, the cast and crew of Mr. X. And before we start of this very interesting innovation today, what's up? A few words on why Mr. X is special, why Mr. X is going to be the
Well,
entertainer.
reducing Mr. X to few words is tough, but I will try. On the 17th of April, you will taste the Mr. X experience. It's the first family 3D experience that is coming your way, and it's coming from our production house, Vishesh Films. It's the film which is directed and written by Mr. Vikram Bhatt, and it stars these two unusual, bright, young stars of our country. The young girl is a fresh one, but she's going to be a force to reckon with after this film, and Imran will dazzle you like he has never dazzled you before. Making Mr. X was one hell of a journey, but it was the audacity and the courage of Vikram Bhatt who has been able to translate his vision onto celluloid with the support of Prasad's WizKids, who have delivered the state-of-the-art visual effects in our country and which we are very proud of. I'm certain that Mr. X will be one watershed event in the journey of entertainment which began hundreds of years ago. And to give you a taste of what the Mr. X experience will be like, we have an unusual standee which we shall unveil, and then you can experience the Mr. X within you, the X factor which is there in you. In all of us, there is this longing to be invisible, and that as a child you have experienced that, as a grown-up you long for that, but you will taste that here and now, and if you want more of that, you will see it on the 17th in the cinema halls all over the country. So with that, Imran, will you please speak a few words, and then we shall get on with the process of unveiling this standee.
Well, it is kind of a childhood dream come true to be part of a film like this. I've done a lot of badass things in this film, and they've always, they've always been fun. I've not done so many in my previous films as I've done in this film. So living this experience in 3D, we had a sensational film last year, Raz, which dazzled the audiences. And I'm sure this one has gone leaps and bounds ahead of that as far as the 3D technology goes. It's got better cameras. It's far superior as far as the 3D experience goes. You'll have something hurled at you in the cinema halls every 5 minutes. We saw the film yesterday. It's brilliant. The kind of VFX that the film has, the entire concept of the Invisible Man that's not been really explored too much in our country, is, of course, the novelty and the USP to look out for. And there's this beautiful lady, Amira. She's done a fantastic job in the film. So thank you, and we'll move ahead to Vikram. You want to say a few words?
And,
No, let's
and
just
now
unveil.
we will get set to unveil this unusual standee. Hold on. There has to be some build up before we do that. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You can call me X. You can call me X. Mr. X. You can call me X. You can call me X.
Now we have to proceed to the X.
Now, we'll know what's going to happen very soon. It's going to be very interesting. But before we do that, I think the director needs to speak some words, say us a few things about, after he finishes his popcorn, of course, which is very, very urgent, very important.
The whole concept of invisibility has been something that has appealed to us from many years. Right from the time films have been made, invisibility has been a great kind of concept to work on. I think it brings out the child in us. It also brings out the devil in us, because when we are invisible, there are unspeakable amount of things that we can do. And to give you a taste of what it might be like, I think what today has been achieved in this standee has actually taken us months to achieve on camera. But it's great that today we have this opportunity to give you this kind of a standee. And I think without much ado, we should show people what this standee is all about.
Right. May I please invite Mr. Imran Hashmi to come up there and stand on the X, face the mirror, and watch him get invisible.
You can call me X. You can call me X. Mr. X.
Oh, that's nice.
You can call me
This is an actor's nightmare come true. We love looking in the mirror, but not that mirror, because then we disappear. But it's fantastic.
Can I invite Amara to come up and stand and get invisible before all us?
You can call me X. You can call me X. You can call me
Nice.
X. Mr. X.
The only one? What's up? I think it's your chance to get in. Oh. Yeah, yeah.
You can call me X. You can call me X. Mr. X. You can call me X.
Finally, what's up?
Call me X.
I can keep doing this, man.
You can call me X. Mr. X. You can call me X. You can call me X.
Great. We're going to arrange the stools for the Q&A session right now. No, we sit up.
You can call me X. You can call me X. Mr. X. You can call me X. You can call me X. You can call me X. Mr. X. You can call me X. You can call me X.
Imran has the videos already ready. Let them transfer. Let them start uploading. No? Yeah, they don't have to wait for them to upload. No? Just say Mahesh for disappearing. This guy disappearing. Just do that. No?
From our ID, na?
From our ID. It's already logged in. आप करके देख लो ना अगर हो जाता है फिर से upload. Sorry. Right, we'll have photo ops at the end again. On stage, please, sir, for the question answers.
Hello.
On stage. No? On stage. Imran? Sorry. Imran? Mic in the audience. I have only one mic. Right, we open the stage now for Q&A. Can we request the members of the press to just go a little back, please?
Hello. Hi, my name is Ravi and I'm from Zing. मेरा सवाल भट्ट साहब से है. भट्ट साहब जानना चाहूँगा आपसे 1987 की फिल्म आई थी मिस्टर इंडिया और इस बार आ चुकी है जैसे हम देख सकते हैं मिस्टर एक्स. तो ये जो फिल्म है इनविजिबिलिटी के ऊपर ही बन रही है, तो कितना खास है ये फिल्म? क्या मिस्टर इंडिया जैसा ये कमाल कर सकती है ये फिल्म?
जैसे विक्रम ने अपने छोटे से तकरीर में कहा, ये रोमांस जो है इनविजिबल मैन के साथ सदियों पुराना है. ये इनविजिबल मैन के कॉन्सेप्ट को हॉलीवुड ने इनविजिबल मैन के एक नाम की फिल्म में दिया था 1930s में. इनके ग्रैंडफादर विजय भट्ट साहब ने प्रकाश पिक्चर्स में इनविजिबल मैन 1937 में बनाई थी. मेरे फादर नानाभाई भट्ट ने अशोक कुमार साहब के साथ में 1957 में बनाई थी. उसके बाद में 60s में मिस्टर एक्स इन बॉम्बे नाम की एक फिल्म बनी थी. फिर बनी थी मिस्टर इंडिया. और अब 2015 में जब हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा का मयार कहां से कहां पहुंच गया है, हमारे मुल्क में वो स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स आज पॉसिबल हैं जिसके बारे में कल तक हम सोच ही नहीं सकते थे. तो 3D का एक्सपीरियंस जो इस फिल्म के द्वारा आपको हासिल होगा, पूरे परिवार को हासिल होगा, इसका आप अंदाजा लगा ही नहीं सकते. तो मुझे लगता है कि एक बहुत ही अनोखी कहानी एक अनोखे अंदाज में इस दौर की जरूरत को पूरा करते हुए, क्योंकि आज के दौर में एक फास्ट पेस कॉम्पैक्ट फिल्म की आवश्यकता है, मगर जो स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स हैं और 3D एक्सपीरियंस है और कहानी है वो बिल्कुल अलग है मिस्टर इंडिया से. क्योंकि हर फिल्म जो है उसके वक्त का एक एक्सप्रेशन होती है. 2000 की सदी जो है, जब सेंचुरी शुरू हुई थी, वो अलग है बिल्कुल 20th सेंचुरी से. तो ये कहानी जो है इस डेकेड की एक देन है.
Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, I would also like to know that Ashok Pandit a couple of days back tweeted saying that the film was illegally withheld by Pehlaj Nilhani, and finally, you know, with the help of a CBFC committee member, the certification is being passed. So what was the story exactly behind that, and why did someone from within the committee actually have to go ahead and tweet about it?
Well, I do not claim to have the detailed insight about the so-called locking of horns between my brother Mukesh Bhatt, who was dealing hands-on with this problem, and the chairperson. But since I was away in Karachi with a play of mine called Daddy, but I was informed that in spite of the committee giving it a clear UA, in these times where everybody dreads what is going to happen to them, we were lucky to convince a committee which saw the film and gave it a clean UA because I said this is a family entertainer with just one word to be dubbed. After that, we were assured that after we accepted that the certificate will be given to us the next day. But I'm told that some technicality was used as a ploy to delay the process of giving the certificate to us. As a result of which my brother said that there was a screening of this film kept at the PVR for the productions staff and also some people of the media, which had to be cancelled because you can't show a film in a cinema hall without an official censor certificate. Then I was told that Mukesh, my brother, knocked at the doors of the ministry at the center, and with the support of some people within the censor board and the support of the members of the board, the process was accelerated. And finally, on a day when the censor board was closed, at the behest of the people in Delhi, in the Ministry of Information Broadcasting, the office was opened and the certificate was given. So while we may have something to complain, we have a lot to be very happy about that. There were people within the censor board and the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting which made the process possible, accelerated the process, and we got the certificate.
Right. Also, Mr.
When I
Bhatt.
talk, just shut up. Okay.
Also, Mr. Bhatt, the same committee member went ahead to call the Pehlaj Nilani an anarchist. Do you believe with the term that was used for Pehlaj Nilani?
Sorry?
Ashok Pandit also went ahead to call him anarchist. So do you feel that he was right somewhere down the line when Pehlaj Nilani was tagged as anarchist?
I don't understand. What were you saying?
Bhatt Sahab, he's saying that Ashok Pandit in the tweet said that Mr. Nilani was almost like an anarchist. Do you
Well,
agree with that?
I do not know why he said, and why he said what he said, whether he said what he said, and why did he use that word. It's not my experience, so I can't answer that question on his behalf.
Imran and Vikram, do you feel relieved that finally the certificate is being passed, and how are you feeling right now?
Well, I'm, I guess, more relieved than Vikram. I've not had too many films that I would boast and say they're UA certificate films. But this is just one of those films, the first film actually, that I would, without stressing out, would show it to my son and my family. Because also kids will love the experience. I really didn't know how it would all come together. I saw the film yesterday, and it's an absolute delight. It's like a roller coaster ride with the Invisible Man, with the action sequences in 3D, or even if you don't see it in 3D. So I'm really relieved that there is a certain audience that the film that we did 2 years back was a huge success, Raz, but it was an A certificate film. It didn't have the audience that this has that could come in additionally and see this film and enjoy it because of the erotic quotient in that and, of course, the blood. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to kind of tapping into that potentially new audience.
भट्ट साहब, एक सवाल आपकी बाईं ओर कि तकनीकी तेवर जो है फिल्म का वो नजर आ रहा है और फिल्म काफी टेक्निकली बहुत एडवांस नजर आ रही है. आपको नहीं लगता कि तकनीक के इस दौर में इत्मीनान का सिनेमा कहीं ना कहीं होता जा रहा है?
लास्ट लाइन क्या थी?
जी जी, तकनीक के इस दौर में
हाँ.
इत्मीनान के सिनेमा के जिसके लिए आपका एक सिग्नेचर स्टाइल था, आप जाने जाते थे, वो खो रहा है.
हाँ, ये इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है कि हमारा सिनेमा अपनी जड़ों से कटता जा रहा है, मगर मिस्टर एक्स में जो कहानी विक्रम जी ने लिखी है, आप देखेंगे कि इसमें तकनीक का उपयोग तो किया गया है, मगर ये हमारे मुल्क के ईथॉस से कनेक्टेड है, हमारे मुल्क के अपना जड़ों से कनेक्टेड है. इसमें हमारी माइथोलॉजिकल रेफरेंसेस का भी जिक्र है. तो ये बिल्कुल अपने मिजाज में हिंदुस्तानी फिल्म है. इसमें आज के दौर के जो डिस्कोर्स है, जिसमें विवाद चल रहा है लॉ कानून व्यवस्था को लेकर और सारे इश्यूज को लेकर, उसका भी एक बहुत ही क्लियर आर्टिकुलेशन है. तो मैं कहूँगा कि एक बहुत ही स्वच्छ साफ किस्म की फैमिली एंटरटेनर के अलावा ये इट डजंट डम डाउन, ये कहीं पर लोग सिनेमा, ये कहानी जो है इट डजंट लुक डाउन, इट लुक्स अप एट द ऑडियंस, क्योंकि आज का दर्शक बहुत ही इवॉल्व है, तो उसको बिना नीचे देखे उसका सम्मान करते हुए अब विक्रम जी ने ये कहानी लिखी है और उसके कंटेम्परेरी टेस्ट को मद्देनजर रखते हुए ये फिल्म बनी है.
Imran, my question is to you. Good afternoon, this is Vikram from NDTV. To your left, Mr. India was in 1987. The kids growing up then, he was a superhero for them, right? We were all growing up then. Mr. Anil Kapoor became a superhero for all the kids then. But these are days when the Avengers are flying in on the 24th of April. We have Superman, and you know, a lot of the television is closer. How do you think Mr. X will fight all those superheroes as well as a legend like Mr. India?
These films don't have the story of Krishna and Arjun. It's rooted in our culture, and I think that's unpurchasable. You might have all the special effects. Obviously, Hollywood, you can't match with them because they have a world audience. You know, our budgets are smaller compared to theirs. Their VFX, obviously, they've been doing it for decades together. But I think in our film, there is inherently, and I keep going back to this, of course, it will be a very new experience for the Hindi audience to see the VFX and the 3D in this. But it comes down to the story that I would boast about the most. It's a story of resurrection. It is a story of how you know, people can endure despite of limitations and hurdles, that they can move forward and achieve what they want. And that's exactly what Mr. X is. It is the story of the rising phoenix. I wouldn't really box him up into a superhero, so I wouldn't want to really compare it to films like Avengers. It's highly debatable. Like I keep saying that Mr. X wouldn't have a problem putting a bullet into anyone. It's a personal vendetta story, and there are very valid emotions attached to that. So I think if you sum up everything with the story, with the emotional base, with the philosophy that the film has, it could also take on an Avengers.
Thank you so much.
Do we have any more questions?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Call me X. You can call me X. You can call me X.
So one final photo op, sir.
Mr. X.
सेंटर सर ये बोथ मैम सामने मैम सेंटर सर ये सेंटर बोथ ऑफ यू सेंटर यो बोथ ऑफ यू इमरान सर सर यहाँ पे सर ये इमरान सर बोथ ऑफ यू सेंटर यहाँ पे मैम आया सर यहाँ विक्रम सर सर बाइट